In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in PayPal, which is particularly useful for guest posting or any goods you're planning to sell. We'll walk through each step so you feel confident using PayPal's invoicing features for seamless transactions. Let's start by heading over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the summary page. This is your dashboard or your central hub where all your transactions and account information are summarized. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page as it's where you can quickly see your balance, transaction history, and notifications. From the summary page, locate and click on the option to create an invoice. This is typically found within the Tools or Invoicing section of PayPal. Depending on the layout changes they may periodically implement. Clicking this will take you to the next phase where you can start setting up your invoice. Next, you'll be directed to PayPal's invoicing feature. Here, you'll want to focus on getting everything right from the start. PayPal has made it convenient by providing templates and a user-friendly layout to ensure the invoicing process is straightforward. At this point, it's essential to pay attention to detail and fill out all required fields accurately to avoid any confusion or errors down the line. The following step involves clicking on Create New Customer. This is where you'll begin to personalize your invoice. Enter the recipient's email address, which is critical as this is how your customer will receive their invoice. Then include detailed information about the items or services you are providing. This includes a description, quantity, and price for each item. Think of it as a digital receipt, so clarity here can prevent misunderstandings. In addition, PayPal allows you to enhance your invoice with a few personal touches. You can add a custom logo, which is a great way to maintain your brand presence, even within the invoice. There's also an option to include a personal note to the customer. This could be a brief thank you or additional instructions and terms. After adding these personalizations, it is crucial to review all the information carefully. Double-check the items, prices, your customer's email, and any extra notes or logos you've added. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, the final step is to click Add. Upon confirming the details, you can send the invoice immediately or at your preferred time. PayPal will take care of the rest, delivering it directly to your customer's inbox. This process ensures a prompt and reliable method of billing, which can enhance your professional image and improve your cash flow by getting timely payments. And there you have it. Creating an invoice using PayPal is an efficient way to manage your business transactions, keeping things organized and professional. By following these steps, you can ensure your invoices are precise and that you are well on your way to successful transactions. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.